I'm Dennis Barsness. I'm your District 4 Supervisor for the Itasca Soil and Water Conservation District. I've proudly served you for the past 4 years. Over those 4 years, the department has endured a variety of issues. We moved to a new location where we purchased the property and are building equity for you, rather than just making some monthly rent payments. This facility, it allows our employees individual work areas along with room for group meetings, adequate parking area, plenty of room for visitors, and district equipment. It also has a workshop which provides not only some storage and a place for repairs, but it also provides a distribution center for our annual tree and plant sale. We have a full staff of well-qualified employees. They're happy and eager. They work well together and with the public. And in fact, the office atmosphere and employee morale, it's at an all-time high, actually, the highest I've seen in 4 years. I've worked diligently through the pandemic, which provided both employee and board member shortages. It forced us to rewrite some work policies to better facilitate remote and at-home working abilities. I'm proud to say we have a full board now working cohesively with the taxpayers, the district, and the employees being our focus, not individual agendas. Not only am I serving you as the District 4 Supervisor, I'm serving as Board Secretary, representative to the Minnesota SWCD Forestry Association, as Treasurer for the Minnesota SWCD Area 8, and I provide you regional and state representation. Over the last 4 years, I've taken every question, call, complaint serious, and I've followed up on them, even the unfounded ones and the ones unrelated to our office. And I'll continue to do that. In the next 4 years, I plan to continue working to increase transparency and building a stronger relationship between the office and the public, to continue working hard to ensure the integrity of our local SWCD, to build stronger trust between the public and the SWCDs, to further the education and outreach of the department and their services, to continue to hold the SWCD accountable to the people which it serves. Vote for me, Dennis Barsness, and let's continue making Itasca County the northern wonderland we can all be proud of. Now get out there and vote.